Igloo Glide Pro Cooler 110 quart. The best ice chest with wheels, Igloo is a more commonly known household name compared to others on this list. However, the Igloo Glide Pro Cooler is meant for picnics, beach days, and weekend camping trips. The ice retention is about 2 days on this model, so it's not great for hunting trips or camping far away from civilization. The Igloo Glide Pro Cooler has a handle which makes rolling it easy. The wheels are durable, heavy, and have teeth to keep in grips in the sand, dirt, or even flat ground. The handle is sturdy and telescopes back in to get out of the way. As the best ice chest with wheels, it's meant for use when you already have your hands full. The Igloo Glide Pro Cooler is easy to pull even when it's fully loaded. This ice chest is a great option if you're looking for something for a weekend trip. However, it's not as durable and doesn't hold ice as long as other models.